Hello guys, welcome to our another video. In this video, I'll be show how to install Tor on PentestBox. So let's start it. First, open any browser and search Tor browser bundle. Then hit enter. After that, the search result, then scroll. I have to select 3 search result on Tor browser bundle. You have to scroll and download it, the Tor browser bundle. After that, the download is start and again search Notepad++. Then go to first website and click to download the Notepad++. After that, the download, first install on Notepad++ on your system. It is too much easy to install on your system. Then go to the Tor browser bundle and extract the file on desktop. After that, extract the file. We have to see the 2 files. We have to create one file, name it Tor project. Then cut this file to paste it. After that, cut it and go to the local machine, C drive and PentestBox. Open bin folder and customize tool. Then paste it. After that, the paste file, then open custom tool on Notepad++. Then edit it. It is too easy. First off, copy anyone on link. I have to copy it and paste. And first off, you can see our folder to name is Tor. Then first, the rename Tor and remove some line. Then remove it. Then this line to edit it. It's too easy. Click on the Tor folder and copy also bin. Copy this link and select bin to paste it. The path. After that, paste it and rename the last option where see to the tor.exe. Yes, it is got it, tor.exe. We rename it the tor.exe. Then remove last option and hit save it. After that, our folder path has been completed. Then save it and close it. Then go to again on local drive C, then PentestBox, open to run to administrator on PentestBox and run to it. the Tor. Our Tor has been successfully running on our system. Then open on any browser. I have to open my Chrome browser and search it. Check to the torproject.org. I have to confirmation to it. Our browser has been show it not to connected in Tor project. Then go to search again Proxy Mega. It is the extension on Chrome browser. I have to click it and download it. It is just a simple extension to connect on our Tor network easily. Then go to Proxy, HTTP click to SOCKS 5. You can show on PentestBox our IP or port is here on Tor network. Then we select in SOCKS 5 and remove it to our proxy to paste it and copy our port and paste it, then save it. After that, to pin on a browser and select proxy and then check to Tor project again. Congratulations, our browser has been configuration on Tor. Thank you so much. We have to successfully configuration on our proxy to Tor.